Hi, this is James from Mission Engineering, and today we're talking about the Mission EP1-TC expression pedal, and we'll be setting it up with a G system from TC Electronics. So let's get started. So here we are with our TC Electronic G system and two Mission EP1-TC expression pedals. One's plugged into the volume port on the rear rack unit, and the other's plugged into the expression port. The G system has a total of 4 pedal inputs, 2 on the rack unit, which can actually be separated out and put into a rack, and 2 more on the floor unit. For both the volume and the expression pedal input, you need to use a stereo 1/4 inch instrument cable. This is the one that has 3 conductors, a tip, a ring and a sleeve. A regular mono guitar cable doesn't work into these ports. It has to be a stereo TRS connector. In this case we're using Mission TRS cables. These are the ones that have a right angle jack on one end, so they can be plugged into the pedal. The pedal doesn't take up too much space on the board, and then straight connectors where they can be plugged into the unit. But any decent quality TRS 1/4 inch instrument jack will do the trick. So the next thing you're going to want to do is calibrate the pedals. So on the G system here we press enter and then menu, and then turn the page encoder until the menu setting is at pedals. It's already at pedals on this one, so you have global levels, pedals, switches. So for setting the expression pedals we want menu pedals. Press enter and then turn the page encoder again until the display says GFX1 volume calibrate. GFX1 refers to the rack unit, and the volume pedal is the one we're going to calibrate first. Press enter and then put the pedal in heel down. It's a minimum, which should read 0. Then press enter and then it says set max. So move the pedal all the way to toe down. It should read 99 in the maximum position. And press enter again. Then when you move the pedal, it should say calibration done. And we're going to turn the page encoder again. This time it says GFX1 expression pedal calibrate. It's our second pedal. So we press enter. And same thing, we're going to move it to full heel down. Should read 0, so press enter and then move it to full toe down where it should read 99. Press enter again, move the pedal, calibration done. You can then press edit to exit out. So our last thing to do is check everything's working the way we expected. So first we're going to try volume. Right now I'm all the way heel down in volume control, so it should be quiet. There we are, my guitar's completely quiet. And then we'll give it some volume. And we have a nice smooth sweep all the way through the movement of the pedal. So we can do some nice volume swells. So that's volume, and that's working pretty good. So now we'll switch to the expression pedal and turn off the delay and modulation here. We'll turn on the filter, which which in this patch is mapped to a wah effect. Now we can see that because we've got the volume pedal assigned to global volume, it still works. So inhale down, it's still quiet, and then I can turn it on here. But now I also have my expression pedal set up for wah. So there we go. That's the Mission EP1-TC expression pedals used with the TC Electronic G system.